Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader known as Fijian Traders. This is Mr. Singh. Nvda, ticker symbol NVDA. What a week, man. All the low of 850 to the high of $947.78. What a week we had. Folks, I have a lot to cover on the fundamental side as well as my portfolio, my biggest investment I have ever done on Nvda and how I'm excited about it. What a return is coming up. But we are not done yet. I know I am not done yet, and I am still saying it is gonna be in April. We will be seeing over close to a 1,200. You call me mad, you call me anything, but this is my target level. It's just by April, and the reason behind it is because of the fundamentals and the technical analysis. They don't lie. So, with further ado, let's talk on the fundamental side. Well, our favorite Mr. Jimmy Krager also talked about Tesla. Is it the right time to buy now? As well as hinted about Nvda. So is Nvda stock split is coming? CEO Jensen Hung tells the customers, well, think about it. As shares, however, around $890 range, Shanti explains the capture of Nvidia CEO hence considering a stock split with company shares trading near $890 when the time of this article came in. Folks, if there is a rumor, if there is a split, means this price is going to push even higher. It is going to over $1,000 in by next week, just because this week, just because of the split. When Tesla when they came about the stock split, the date came in, that stock rallied over $700 in less than a month. So is this run is going to be similar what Tesla had the split? Well, we gotta wait and see on that. But this is my assumption. It is going to be happening because I have time and time have seen stocks have done that, and Nvidia is the top stock to buy in terms of the analysis and everybody pretty much investing as the big dogs says it. Well, further ado, a couple news with Nvidia. The AI voice revolution starts here. Nvidia knows about it. 2023 and 2024, rising tide has been lifting generated artificial intelligence boats. Nvidia is obviously beneficially. So how sounds stock has caught people's attention and giving a solid B grade. Nvidia's has a big part on that. You may have heard about Nvidia's blowout in the fourth quarter 2024. Nvidia isn't only the AL company impressive revenue growth for all-rounded AL market exposed with Nvidia and ALstock. So a competitor, something like that, something to keep an eye moving forward. Also, we knew about last week, on Tuesday and Wednesday when we had heard Jerry Powell was talking about the interest cuts, and the potential interest cut is coming in April 30th. And May 1st, where they're going to be closing another meeting behind the doors, and let's see what happens. Also, Mr. Fred's hinted the rate cuts will occur in the economy if the economy evolves as expected. He downplayed the unexpected inflation argues in January and February, pushing the market anticipated 72% chance of the rate be cut by June. That's a big point on that. And during the talk, what's going in March, there's 24 basis points cut rate this year. That is going to be an impact for companies such as Nvidia as any other and all other stocks and pretty much the stock market. Well, I'm going to talk about my portfolio. Yes, I am living it into some kind of mood right now, but it is 20% that I'm up on my stock, 16% on my option call, which expires in May of $1,250, and this is what I'm looking at it. I'm still invested in Mara as well, one of the players as well, OCGN. So go ahead and check out my video if you have not checked it out. The money that I invest, I do talk about it. The good, the bad, the great, the sad, everything when it comes to the stock. And I even show when my portfolio is red and what is my plan to add shares. Not a final advisor. This is all my due diligence and this is all my research that I put in and I share with my knowledge with you guys. So my goal still stays the same. It's the 1,200 by April. Doesn't mean if it doesn't hit, I'm going to sell it. No. But based on the technical side, which I'm about to share with you guys, why I am so confident about is coming up a breakout on that. And that's why I have started my options call. I did started with 15 option call. Now it's all the way to 35 option calls, and I'm paying very close attention how it's going to be moving at it moving forward. But my target still stays the same, 1,200 by April. And if the split comes in as the news, if the date is set, this stock is gonna really like crazy, and you definitely don't want to miss a run on that. And I really didn't want to miss the run on that. I've done it, experience in many stocks like that. And even though when Tesla did that, where it, I played a big part on, as well as by investing on Tesla. So this is the 5-day chart. You clearly see that lows of 850 went highs of $974. My resistance was sitting at $934. Guess what? It came on Friday, acted as a support too, and then kind of came back to $942, which is pretty good because the high for the day on Friday was $947. Even the roller coaster the week we had on Tuesday and Wednesday. Shifting the gear to 1 month. Clearly, you can see my pink line, which is my beautiful 200-day EMA. Just even a month, we were sitting at about last month on the 28th of the month of February. We were sitting around at $769, highs of $774. When we had this pullback, you can see the pink line, which is the 200-day EMA, and which has been acting as a support. The blue line is my 60-day. Now the 60-day is becoming a support and pushing the price high and high, which indicates a breakout again coming up again. And we just when I talked about my resistance, $934, which is broke, which is gonna turn into yellow. Into a green. The next one is none other than is $974. Is going to be the next crack to break, because that was the all-time high we had earlier this month, which is not far away from at least 2 weeks ago. We were right there. MACD still looks good. We still have the green bars. Volume predicts price. We have a good amount of volume came in. RSI is still in neutral. So there's a lot of room. We are not overbought, oversold territory, and we are heading into a right direction. Shifting the gear 3 months. Clearly see that, folks. When I did say that when we have this healthy pullback, people were panicking. It's like Nvda is done. No. Nvda is not any other stock. It is one of the top stock. And you can clearly see that when we had this pullback, we kind of traded sideways, and now we're making higher highs and higher lows. We'll go test the high of 744. We might get rejected coming back again, but it will be $934 level. Then won't be surprised, by Wednesday, this stock is over $1,000. By Wednesday, I'm seeing this stock by over $1,000 if the momentum carries it, which volume predicts price, and volume is phenomenal. And you can clearly see on the MACD, everything is pointing towards an uptrend. RSI did got cooled off, but it is very common because it is making higher highs and higher lows. You can clearly see that right here. Pull back, make higher highs, then we pull back, we made another new highs. Every time we're making higher highs and higher lows on that. So buckle up, fasten your seatbelt, because a beautiful ride is coming on by Wednesday. And maybe I'm too far on Wednesday. You might see it on Tuesday. But this is my estimation by looking at it. Usually you will see a volatile coming up with the news also coming on the performance on ALstocks on the so we are going to be very careful on that. So support level, nothing changes. You clearly see that $900 level is the next support. $934.88 is the support. The next breakout is $974. Simple as that. Year to date, shift the gear to the 6 months. If anything changes, no, nothing changes. It is clearly see that the blue line, which is the 60-day EMA, acted as a support, given a breakout on that. And then now it is becoming a massive support. Look at this graph. What do you see? Right? A bull flag pattern came, rallied up, traded on the side, and they're going to shoot back again, which is going to be a phenomenal run coming up. And look at the MACD. Again, uptrend. RSI making higher highs and higher lows. Everything is pointing on the uptrend pattern, and the technical analysis do not lie when the company says like this. So fasten your seatbelt if you are a bull, because a wonderful next couple of weeks is going to be coming with the investors, and keeping an eye on that. But when the split comes in, there's going to be a big rally. Once again, I'm saying it there. The split date comes in, there's going to be a rate coming in, which is a great news for investors for the long term on that. So, folks, I'm going to leave you guys go. Hope you guys having a wonderful weekend. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on the notification if you want to hear about Nvidia or any stock that I do on that. I do talk about the stocks that is a sleeper stock, which was one of mine was OCGN. Go ahead and check it out, that video when we were sitting at 50 cents. Now it's sitting at $1.70. One of a massive return when we talk about the breakout points. So thank you once again for watching it, and have a wonderful rest of the weekends.